Laura Kampf a while back had made a video where she made a mini workbench that she put on top of a regular workbench for doing more like fine woodworking. And I have this piece of bowling alley. I thought that'd be a really good idea to try. So I want to put this vise on here for doing fine woodworking. It's got this nice little thing. I can put some bench dogs in. I can level it all with like a router jig, and it'll be like this great fine woodworking bench for the one time a year I do fine woodworking. But I would miss having this here. My buddy Veep just gave me this broken one. It's missing the handle. It doesn't have the little pop-up thing, and it mounts differently. It has like this lip. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to make a handle for it. The metal bits are actually in really good shape. It's not really a big deal, but there's this sort of bump and divot here, and I'm going to just try and make it as level as I can while I'm at it. I just cut this little piece of aluminum, so I slide that right in for the stop, take it out.
Hey, you're making a bench for your bench.
Yep, but what I want to make now is I want some type of L bracket so I can clamp it down.
Wait, I don't know how to do the T part. Wait.
You have to go in and then back up and then go down and then come back. You go back in from the other direction. Watch. So you can't do it in one take. You have to go at it from both directions. That's the only trick to it. Well, this whole project for me has been about just cleaning this up and making a handle for this, and I finally got to the point where I can now make a handle for this, like 700 hours later. I've just been rooting through my junk metal drawer. Then I found this. I don't know what it's from, but it's a little loose. I can drill a hole right in here, put that through. That'll be my handle, and then I'll just have to bolt that through there. Perfect. I hope you dug it. I included a link to Laura Kampf's original video in case you have never seen it. Maybe you've been stuck in a cave for the past year. And I would recommend checking that out to see how this done properly with beautiful woodwork and skill would be done. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can also support me on Patreon at patreon.com/TimSway. Be good.